Hey there, we need to talk. You might be new. Well, I am new. I've been around on YouTube for almost a month now. But some days you might get popular, and sometimes you might get popular later on. But it turns out that my Melissa the washing machine videos have been doing pretty well. But it's pretty embarrassing, really. My Melissa the washing machine going unbalanced video has becoming popular, which is also embarrassing. But we are going to repeat the success of Melissa going unbalanced. Oh yeah. Sometimes you gotta hold her so she won't run away. There is your sequel of Melissa the washing machine going unbalanced. She might do that again in future videos, but yeah, that's all for now. Bye! But wait, I think people only watched that video because I didn't talk in the video.